Good day, all of you. I have here your wish. So probably the day was introduce yourself, not only for the wish from inside. So include the other things involved part of your life. So started you wanna makabintang.
Yes, ma'am. Again, good morning or have a good day. I again, ma'am. Good day. I am one of Bintang. Bintang. 34 years old from Caloocan City. I'm residing temporarily here in Visayas, Caloocan City. And I am looking for a job that can provide my needs. That's all. And about you, next after nakabintang, maybe makahula. Edra, right? Edra, right? So tell me about yourself. Yes, ma'am. Again, good morning. I am Edra Makahula. Kahula. I am 32 years. And I'm looking for a job. Be the one who contribute what the company needs. On order to be that I am the most secure as to the heart to can provide studying and yes, ma'am. Again, good morning.
Habol ko kasi makuha ko yung ano. Hindi ako nakapag-email kahapon. Ito na naman yung aking sipon.
Ito yung lagayan, no? Marami kasi. Wala pa siyang scrambled ice. Purong condensed. Purong
Sarap siya. Sarap.
No.
Para tayong ML player bro. Ganito yung direction ng ML. Napagsuot na ko ng ML jersey. Super pala man yun sa pinatibig. Tira ka. Pag may dumaan na
Meron ka pa? Meron ka pa?
pag may dumaan na ay
Pandesal? Sarap?
panghulog na lang pala natin.
Ano?
Yan mga ano ko yan. Credential test. May Gcash pa dito? Gcash?
Doon, lahat.
Dati.
Doon, lahat yung Melanie.
Malayo?
Hindi naman.
Sa PM pala sa atin. Meron ba doon? Ilan ang ginawa niya?